Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you quickly here today because there's this new report that my good friend Misha Wilson put out over called The Deadly Sins of Internet Marketing. And I tell you, if you're an internet marketer, you will love this because in this free report, um, Misha reveals the 7 deadly sins that are keeping you stuck in confusion and overwhelm that could be killing your business and your dreams of building a profitable business. And in this, he tells you why 97% of all internet marketers um, that are trying to market online, why they're stuck, why they're struggling, and why they're massively confused. But the great thing I love about this is that in these 7 steps, in this document, the 7 deadly in marketing, Misha gives the exact steps on how to basically flip the script if you're struggling, if you're confused, and what you can do to get into profitability for your business quickly. So I will include a link to this report. I think it will be huge you that if you are an internet marketer or entrepreneur or just struggling in your business online and want to find out, what you can do to help it become better, I highly, highly, highly recommend this report. I will leave a link at the bottom here for you. And let me know in the comments after you've reviewed it and you've gotten some value and you've applied it to your own business. Let me know in the comments uh, if it actually helped you, or if it didn't. Let me know that too. But let me know in the comments if it did help you, if you did find something to help you build your business, if you did find some kind of light bulb for it to go off for you in your own business. Again, if you're confused, overwhelmed, or you're just not getting where you want to in your business online, I think this will help you. Guys, that's it for today. Here we go. I hope you have a wonderful day. Also, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also, to the very right there, there's a bell on the very right there. Click that bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. Just so you know, as a reminder, I like to remind everyone that if you are visiting this channel is all about entrepreneurship. As you can see, it's all about internet marketing, network marketing, just the home business entrepreneur, providing you with resources and tools and inspiration to help you grow your business, and just giving you insight to help you become a better marketer, and things that I personally come across and that I use that have helped me in my business to help you grow your business. Now that's it. It's Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.